Hi, good morning and good evening. Today we will see Salesforce CRM by creating developer edition account. To create developer edition account, before that we understood what is region, what is instance, what is arc. These three you must know. This arc is nothing but whenever you take license from Salesforce. If you take license from Salesforce, they create arg for you. They create arg. Creating license, taking license is nothing but in our class, creating developer edition account. In real time, what is meaning of taking license? In real time, what is mean by taking license, Varun?
Creating organization.
Creating unlimited edition. Understood? If you create developer edition account, that means you took license. Understanding here, point?
No, Madhu, repeat again. You said that orgs are created when you take a license from Salesforce. So if a company is procuring a license, the license could be a professional one or an unlimited one. And you could see that in the org as a formation of where they have created. So you need to know that. But developer edition would come by default, right? When you
developer edition account is free.
Correct.
This is paid.
Okay, correct.
Here, without paying money, you can take license. You can create developer edition account. But if you want to have unlimited edition, you need to pay money. And how you need to pay money is, you have to tell for how many users you want.
Got it.
Unlimited edition is $350. How much, Adarsh? $350. It is charged on monthly basis. Monthly, right? And billing is annual. You cannot say I will take only for 1 month. No. For a year you have to pay. For example, now if you are going to company, tomorrow you are going to work in Salesforce project. You need to have license. They will create user ID for you. They will allocate it to you. For that, company is paying. Company paying or client paying? IT company is paying or client is paying?
Client is paying.
Paying the IT company.
IT company. No, client will pay.
Client is going to pay for the IT for the licenses.
So, whenever you say to client, when client comes to you, you will ask him what is his requirements. As when you are working in IT company, so now madam is working on some projects. Those projects are at discovery phase. What is meaning of discovery phase?
Analyzation is not happened. They are trying to evaluate.
Client came to us. Client came. He is discussing requirements. They are discussing the company owner or who is responsible from the IT company. He is at the top. He is dealing with client to understand clearly. This concept outside you will not get. I don't have filter in mouth. Everything I will tell whatever that is the problem. Like Upendra. What? You watched that movie, Upendra movie? What happened? You came from film industry or stop now. Watch only Salesforce movies. So they forwarded one requirements to madam. This client is discussing with us. He might give project to us. As per his inputs, madam prepared some documentation and send it to him. You will remember these points or not? Subbareddy? You will remember this story or not? It is not Upendra movie story. You will come out and you will propose directly. They will beat you. That is movie, not real life. Here, client came to IT company, some CEO or person who is at highest level in the IT company. He is in touch with client. He has some initial discussion. We want to build one software application in Salesforce. He gave some inputs and that inputs came to madam. She is solution architect. As a solution architect, she will understand whatever business he is doing. She knows what business he is doing. Real estate business, they are into real estate business. She knows, madam knows real estate domain, what happens. And she knows all technical aspects, what to include. She prepared one first client from client side, business owner or responsible person who is business owner, next contact person. So this concept and online people, I could not call all your names. Ramya, you joined. Rashi, Ramya, Abdul, Benjamin.
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Raja. Okay. So now from client side, client is, who is client? He is business owner. He is owner of the business. And there is a person under him. Reporting person, what we can say, for example, he might be manager for him. This is one side. Another side, IT company side. Here, CEO or under him, there might he might be some manager. CEO will not talk every time. CEO will guide, he will plan. And business owner will plan. You will meet Apollo Pratap Reddy. You can meet anyone, but you cannot meet him. He is business owner, he is not available. I am only not available in the night time. How he will be available? So under him, responsible people will be there to run, to look after their business. Here, this person might be looking for, he is dealing with projects and clients. Here, this person is dealing with business and with whom he will deal? IT company. Understanding logics? Online people? Online people.
Yes, sir.
So you understand these concepts because you will get clarity on the entire area, what is happening at business side, what is happening at IT company side, and what is happening at project implementation side. You have to understand this part very clearly. Venu, yesterday you didn't come. I asked you. Fever, Dolo, or what is that Akulu? Tipati to reduce. So this is happening there. Client business owner here in IT companies, CEO or founder or chairman, I don't know what we call. They are the highest persons. They are decision makers. So this company, what it will do, sometimes from client side as well, say people will be there who knows Salesforce. You can get job at client side or IT company. Two possibilities are there. Some clients recruit Salesforce people because it will become easy for them. If they don't know Salesforce, whatever we say, they don't understand. They cannot estimate budgets. They cannot approve budgets. These people will tell clearly. So here, maybe person who knows Salesforce. Developer, or he cannot be developer. Salesforce consultant. Consultant means what? Are you noting down all these things? Note down. Others, note down. You can sit in these chairs. No? Accounting to
account is creating. How many users are there? Client will take an according to the users will pay or monthly budget will pay.
according to you. I will tell how they will pay. Online people, please note down. Don't take screenshots and tell I wrote it. If you write, that will go to brain. Giri, getting? Sai didn't come. Siddharth, what happened? Where he went for laptop? Huh?
Laptop is not working.
In 30 minutes, he will repairing .com computers, 300 rupees. What is that?
We didn't know .com.
Annapurna Black. If you go other areas, so we don't know what they will do. They will take our parts and they will put whole. You want that chair, Subba Reddy? Chairs are there. So please note down this. This is the important area we are discussing. Done. Here Salesforce consultant and this side Solution architect. This is the initial stage where there is a chance of getting project. Sanjeev, understanding? Okay, what is confusion? In other institute, they don't tell this. So they don't confuse you because they don't tell anything. Why you will get confused? If you tell something deeper, then only you will get confusion. They without telling, they will take money. Bye bye to you. You will search for praxis. That is the way of earning money. I am like Upendra. That's why, without hiding anything, I am telling whatever is happening. If they listen on this recording, they will buy map for me. But they cannot do anything. I am more powerful. Not right now. I am suffering from back pain from last 1 week. If they map also, I cannot do anything. మీరు ఉంటే that is perfectly fine, but see, alone we have to face anything. We came alone, we have to leave alone, we have to face alone. That is logic, I believe. Okay, here client is different, customer is different, IT company is different. We are at client and IT company. Customers for that company might be people, those who are buying houses, villas, or commercial properties they are selling. They have customers. To provide services to those customers, to automate their business, the client came to IT company for a Salesforce application. So now their business owner and CEO, business owner here also, he might be CEO for the company, CEO for the company. Two sides, client side CEO will be there, IT company side CEO. Those are the highest head of the organizations. They are planners, they are strategists, they are investors. Nandini, getting? Anybody have any problem? Swami? Getting or boring? Shall I add hero, heroine this side and that? We'll make some movie. That will be interesting. So for under them, there will be managers. So I am the CEO of institute. I have training team. Swapna and Shivendu sir are the trainers. I cannot train. I don't know. I know Salesforce, but I don't train. And Rajni is dealing with entire this branch. I don't involve deeply inside the organization. I will take reports from her. How many students are coming? How many payments are doing? How many are in demo? Why they are not coming? And how they are preparing? Who are the toppers? And all those things I will take. Based on that, I will take decisions. Placement team is different. Preparation team is different. Resume building team is different. So I will take inputs and from them, and I will allot work to them. At the end of the day, I will take inputs. What is happening? If something is going wrong, I have to verify where mistake is happening. where result is happening, we are getting result. All these things I will consider. Same like CEOs in the companies, their responsibility is generating revenue to the organizations and running the organization smoothly. They are the policy makers, investors. They take decisions at highest level based on the manager inputs. Sanjeev, getting? Because they cannot do everything. CEOs cannot do anything. That's why they appoint. There will be many number of managers. Many people are working. For our company, night shift, some people are working in US. Other manager will deal them. I don't. I will see whether they are doing properly or not. If any problems are there, then I will speak to them and I will rectify them. So managers will be there both sides. Client side managers' responsibility is they have to discuss with IT company and they have to get they have to get budget and timelines. Budget and timelines. From where they have to get? Here, IT company side, they have to estimate budget and timeline and give to this side manager, client side manager. Then he will discuss with CEO and will get approval. So to get that approval, this manager, what he will do is, he will tell their requirements to solution architect. Getting? This side manager discuss with solution architect to estimate this budget. Solution architect and this manager together they will discuss. And this solution architect they will assign to this manager. IT company side manager will tell, Swapna will be discussing with you about your requirements. Once he get confidence that Swapna can deal with this client, then this side manager will assign madam to this manager. So both of will be discussing about requirements. After requirements, and madam solution architect will be discussing with this manager about estimating budget estimation and timeline. Here we will tell, from our side, some 10 developers are required. Means 10 users are required. How many users will be there from your side? We will ask. Here 10 users and here 10 users. Because they have to use end application, right? This application will be used by whom? Client and customer. But customer will not be a user. He is not Salesforce user. He doesn't need unlimited edition. He will use application. You are using Swiggy. You are paying anything. As a customer, you are using Swiggy or not? Who is client for Swiggy? Who is client for Swiggy? Huh?
Swiggy itself.
Huh?
Swiggy itself.
Sorry? Swiggy is a IT application. Who will be registered in Swiggy? Customers will be registered. You are registered. Other than you, restaurants. Restaurants are clients for Swiggy. Understand these concepts. Now, if you direct a movie with your own money, you have a movie with you. Who is client and customer to movie producer? Huh? Huh? Viewers are the customers. Audience.
Theaters.
Viewers we call. Audience means only listening. Viewing means watching and listening. Viewers.
Theaters.
Now, who will purchase?
Distributors as well as
Distributors, right?
theaters. Yeah.
Yes, distributors.
So distributors are clients. So who is purchasing our application? Who is using our application? No. In Salesforce application, now we are building a IT company. We are building Salesforce application. This application, who is paying for this application?
Clients.
Client is paying.
Client is paying. He is purchasing that application and giving to whom? His customers.
Customers.
So movie producer is selling to distributors. Distributor is giving chance to customers to watch movie. Getting? Nandini, any confusion?
Yeah, got it, sir.
So here client, customer and this one IT company. So here we are discussing about client side and IT company side discussion. Because customer will not come to picture now because there is no application. When customers are using application, we get some problems. That time we have to do maintenance for the application. KCR gave Kaleshwaram to L&T. Now what happened to Kaleshwaram? Who has to maintain? Who will complain? Telangana people. Because your tax money, that is not from his pocket. And indirectly that money went to his pocket. We don't know that. They will give 3,000 rupees per vote. We'll know again, same Kaleshwaram project, another will come. Our life will be like this one. You are KCR fan or Think Test Week. You are from which place? Telangana. So client, we will ask client, how many will be using this application from your side? They will tell 10 users are working. Those users are working in client side. They are using that application. Because they have to know. Internally reports they have to generate. For that purpose, there will be 10 users. They will tell 10 users. This side 10 users. Total how many? 20 users. Total 20 users. These 20 users, how much? $350 per month. Into
1 year.
12. How much? How much? 4,200. Huh? 4,200. 4 how you calculated? 12 into 3, 3,600. 12 into 5, 600.
84,000.
Huh?
$84,000.
You use calculator or what?
Obviously, we can use calculator, sir. This
So for each user, 4,200 per month, per year. For each user, 4,200. Come, your name? You both of you are friends. Then how you came together? Laptop shop you met or what? Huh? Okay, come. Okay, come. I will give money to you. Come. You told about all jokes or what? Welcome. Naveen. So we are discussing about some Salesforce. After this session, I will talk to you. You just focus on jokes only for today. You will get confused. Per user, 4,200 per year. Into how many? How now? 84, 3 zeros. This many dollars client has to pay to Salesforce. $84,000. It is like 1 year salary. If you work in US for a developer. If you work in US, you will get 1 lakh to 1,20,000. After taxes, you will get 80 to 90 in hand. After your expenditures, you can save some 2 to 3 lakhs. If you are in politics, same you can earn.
in 1 month. In 1 month.
Or during elections time. Both sides we can take money. If you are intelligent like me, I will tell I will vote to you only. This side also I will tell I will vote to you. Both of them will give money. I will say I will not come for campaigning. Because if I go for campaigning, everybody will understand. Night time I will talking phone. Part-time job for me. If I do like that, then only I can run this institution. But not based on your payments. Here expenditure is different, your paying is different. Okay. So 84,000 if they pay, they will give 20 licenses. These licenses will be allotted by client. When you go to IT company, after your selection, they will send your details to them along with your joining date. By the time you go, it is ready. Project is ready for you. Your credentials are ready. Sometimes work also ready, Sai. Work is also ready. Madam also. Same thing. When she open emails, already 20 emails are there. If you are in contract position, next day work will be there. Means if you tell today, tomorrow joining date, today they will allot work to you. Contract people I am talking, not permanent. When you are on contract means you know everything. Permanent they will give you chance. KT. And if you are in the same team, contract and permanent, they don't speaking with you. They go to canteen without telling you. Don't get hurted because of you. Their facilities are different, yours is different. They always roaming, but manager will always call you and they will ask you, hey, what happened your work? The difference between contract and permanent you have to understand. They will ask HR, are you in contract position or permanent role? If you keep experience outside Amirpet experience, you have to tell I am contract position. My permanent is this big company. You have to tell like that. You have to manage. So once you go to some XYZ TCS company, you are in direct payroll of TCS. That time it is permanent job. So now after this 84,000, other than this, they will calculate, IT company will calculate all expenditures, resources. Now some 10 users are there, right? 10 developers or 10 solution architects. Based on their salary, how much they are paying and what facility they are giving, from housekeeping to water to everything, they will calculate. They will check some margin. That will be in more. We cannot say outside. That is the huge difference between whatever they pay to you and whatever they are getting. Because if they lost project, in case, if they lost project, for 10 people, IT company has to pay money, right? They will consider that also. Doing business means not just like going to tiffin center, paying 20 rupees and eating vada. It is not like that. They will calculate everything. If something happens suddenly, if client doesn't pay money on time, they have to take from credit from some bank and they have to pay you. So all these things will happen. They have to calculate all these things. So that money they will calculate and they will add that money. They will tell these many resources, they have to work these many hours. So they will tell hours. So they will estimate budget and they will give it to you. So solution architects are discussing with this side people, manager and some Salesforce consultant. They will come to one conclusion. Finally, they will get approval. Initial stage, here discussions stage. Once budget is approved, this is approval stage. Once client feel okay, we can go ahead, they will approve. Once it is approved, they will keep resources. They will allocate resources to the project. This is from IT company side. Here they approve budget. By approval, they allocate budget. If they allocate budget, they will allocate resources. Here approval stage, they will set code. Understanding clearly what is happening both sides. Discussion stage, initial stage, discussion stage. This is 2. Approval stage, this is 3. Allocation stage, this is 4. There they will allocate budget, here they will allocate resources. Everyone clear? Online people? Online people. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Once they allocate this, they need to have user ID. Here 10 people they said, right? For 10 people we need licenses. For they need user ID. So client side they will create user ID. As a developer, we have to create user ID now. For that, what you have to do is Google Developer Edition Salesforce. See this. Developer.salesforce.com. Developer.salesforce.com. Sign up. You have to use this link. Create Salesforce Developer Edition account. For that, you have to use this. When you use this, it will ask few fields. It will ask few fields to enter. See this. I don't know, it is looking so. So here few fields are there. Here it is asking few fields. Enter these fields. First name, last name, email address, role, company name, postal code, username. How many fields are here? 8 fields are here. All are mandatory. You have to enter your first name, last name. Email should be valid email ID. Because you will get a verification link to this. If you verify, then only they will create account. Role, anything you can enter, something developer, it will show drop down. Company name, you can enter Swapna Salesforce. Country, region, India. Pin code, enter your pin code. Username, it should be email format. It should be just email format. Existing is not required. Usually whatever email ID you enter here, enter same email ID so that you can easily remember. Otherwise you will forget. So I am entering details. Last name I am entering. You enter your first name and last name. I am entering Swapna Salesforce batch. Zero 03. Your job title, it will show drop down. Company name, Swapna Salesforce. Country region, India. Just a minute, I get Korea. That's hello. నేను మళ్ళీ మాట్లాడతాను. తెలంగాణ. Postal code 5,81,000. Madhapur code. Username I am entering same email ID. It should be email format. Enter same. I agree. Click on sign me up. So it gives some message. Almost there. Please check your email ID to confirm your account. So we get verification to that email ID. So sometimes it takes time. By that time we have to wait. Now, my question is, you have entered India and postal code in India. What is your region? What is your region?
Asia Pacific.
How Asia Pacific? Everybody understood? Anybody have any doubt on Asia Pacific? Because you have given India address. Your region will be India. See, Naveen, you are getting anything? Yesterday we discussed about those regions, instances and args. Today we are created arg.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, you know.
Yes.
So if your client is in US, what is your region?
Yes.
How many regions are there in Salesforce? 3 regions. So Americas, what are the 3 regions here? So in that 3 regions, based on your client location, region changes. Based on region, your instances will be allocated automatically by Salesforce. So now you have created account from India. You have given India account and India PIN code. That's why it goes to Asia Pacific. If somebody is in Australia, what is their region?
Asia Pacific.
EUM, yeah. Asia, Australia is in Europe. So based on that, if you are in UK, what is your region? What is your instance? If you are located in Asia Pacific region, what is your instance?
India, AP.
Some number you have to tell. AP 16, 17 or something, India 5 or 10. So this is happened. Now this process is automatically done by Salesforce. They allocated a region and they will allocate one instance from this region. It might be AP or it might be IND. We don't know. And beside this, some number will come. I am guessing AP 27 it will come. What you will get? No, just tell your lucky number. 06 కారు సారు 16 ఇక రారు ఈసారి ఈసారి ఇక రారు. Okay, it is based on the Salesforce. We cannot say it. That's why when you go for real-time interview, they will ask what is your instance suddenly. We will see that now. They have allocated a region, they have allocated an instance, they have allocated arg for you. When you take license means you get arg. They have allocated arg. That arg will have organization ID. ACA first pick, instance AP27, organization ID. Region, instance, arg. Yesterday we have discussed these three, right? Continuation of that is today's session. You have to understand all this, assess and come to this. Because this all discussion has happened, that's why you have one user ID. If project is not there, why they will take you? If you understand this process, you can easily explain in company. When you keep some project in resume, Sai.com computer, sir, where you repaired your laptop? Where? Service is good or bad? How much? Only 100? What? Ice mukkal is it, right? Okay. Exhaust fan problem. Okay. Okay. I don't know. I am not hardware engineer, not software engineer, nothing. So this is happening, and because of that, we have got one user ID. When you created that user ID, internally, they have allocated region, they have allocated instance, they have allocated some organization ID as well. Getting all this lecture, Nandini, understanding? If you don't understand, stop me. Don't worry. Other than this, what they will do is, they have to store this application, right? They have given license, you got license, you got application now. When you take license means you got application. How you will get that application? Let us see, we got mail or not. Sir, we got it. So now verify account. See this username they have given. They have allocated this. We are setting things up at error page. Verify account. What is happening? Why verify account time it takes? It is giving error page.
No, it will don't.
What happened?
Don't refresh.
Why?
It will come automatically.
Error page it is giving.
Yeah, yesterday I created another arc, same it will given, and again it refresh and given.
Okay, this page will auto refresh when ready. You read already all this. I don't have that much patience. Okay, so organization ID is created. Other than this, memory space also allocated. Two kinds of memory space is there. What are the two types, Naveen? Do you remember? Varun, do you remember? Yesterday I said data space, file space. Two kinds of memory is allocated. Here in the file space, application is stored. In data space, organization data, customer data. Customer data means his name, phone number, transactions. You are using Metro card? Anyone using Metro card? Metro card. Who is using? Who? You are using Metro card. If you give your Metro card to me, I can say which girlfriend you are meeting. Your transactions are there. That is organization data. End customer. If he is using end customer data is there. If you go to hospital, patient details, that is organization data. If you go to movie, Book My Show, if you registered, how many movies if you watch through Book My Show bookings, all history they can see. Google is storing all your data. Whatever you open, your name, email ID, mobile number and that website link, whatever you open, it will go to them. Google said directly, we are tracking you. Based on your search, you will get suggestions. If you search for some heroine photo, next if you open laptop, you will get her photos. Even whoever is logging into that IP address, that suggestions will come. In institute, you are using our Wi-Fi, right? We have a tool. From which IP address, which person is using what details. We have the data. Suddenly we will come and when you are watching, we will open it. Wi-Fi tracking application is there with us. Because you have to use only Salesforce related. If you keep YouTube your songs and enjoying here, we will not allow. We will understand what you are doing, but we don't tell. When you come for placement assistance, that time we will take that and we will keep in front of you. So this file space and data space is allocated to you. Here, customer details and transactions are stored. Whenever you do business with customers, transactions only you are doing. If you go to bank, you are doing transactions. If you book movie, you are doing transaction. Not only money transaction. You are booking a movie, they have to understand who has booked and which seat is selected, where he has to sit, when he has booked. Everything is transaction. Everything is reported. The transaction data is stored in data space. And this application related. If you go to that application, every application will have a lot of data. What is this? Please contact support or visit our status page. I don't know what is happening. Never happened this. There might be some maintenance issue. See here. Search indexing feature degradation. There is downtime. 11 a.m. UTC. Duration 3 days, 20 hours. Which all are affecting. All these are affecting. But we are in Asia Pacific region. Why it is giving like this, I don't know. So temporarily we will log into other accountancy.
So Madhu, Aparna here, can we also create an account simultaneously, or we should do it later?
Yeah, you do it later. First to understand this. Once you change password, it will ask security question. It didn't ask. So it will be like this. Yes. So it is like this. You can see Salesforce CRM. Now, here we have few parts. This is top. Let me take screenshot of this. Here different parts are there. In this, we can see top. This is one part.
Hello.
Yeah.
So can you explain again about the data space and file allocation?
Yes. Yes. Data space is to store customer details and transactions. Whenever you do something with the software application, your transactions are storing. Whatever activity you do, that is a transaction. The transactions and your basic details, if you register with that application, Swiggy you are using, first what you are doing, you are registering with your delivery address, mobile number, email ID, phone number. This is customer data. Those details are going to store in data space. And if you order something, you can see that orders information to whomever you order. If you want to track someone, go open his Swiggy details. Siddharth, to whom he ordered, to home or somewhere else, hostel, girlfriends. Immediately we can find. Because those transactions are stored. If you don't store those transactions, they will not understand. CRM main purpose is to store customer details and customer transactions from day one to till date. Even after 10 years as well, we can see to whom we have ordered. You should not use technology if you want to live safely with your wife, by the way. They will find you. If you go to Swiggy directly, she will see where you went and ordered. Other than home, 10 are there. You are saying I am going to office and going somewhere. resort you are going and ordering from there. Everything is stored. You cannot escape. Naveen, no possibility in technology. So that data is stored in data space. It will be stored permanently. We cannot call Swiggy and delete the transaction I ordered for my girlfriend. They will say we don't have that access, sir. If somebody deleted, they will have that details. Who deleted the transaction? The transaction will not be permanently deleted. It will be there because CRM purpose is that only. Everybody use CRM. Every organization use CRM. So file space is your application. You have the Salesforce application. In this application, you have this, right? This logo is there. This is a file. This is JPG image. And here you have one more logo. And you might have some documents here. So here you will have in application, you will have application related data, files, images, documents, which are related to application. These are stored in file space. Understood, Swami? Huh? To whom? No. Their visibility is if you order from Swiggy, you can see that. And the restaurant person, if you order from Palamuru Grill, those can see the transaction which are ordered from their hotel only. And delivery boy can see only which transactions, which customers he delivered. This is a security model in Salesforce. You can see all your transactions, but hotel person cannot see other hotel transaction here. Who can see all transactions? You and Swiggy also can see. But the person who is sitting in Swiggy, all access will not be there for him. He needs some approvals. If you call center, they will ask your mobile number, name, and some other information. Then only they can open your data. Blindly cannot. Security is there. But I cannot restrict your wife and girlfriend. He will, that is in your hands. Because you are giving mobile to her. She will see. So application-wide security is different. That restriction is based on the data security model that you will learn from Shivendu sir and Swapna madam. If you can't get, if your friend is working in Swiggy, if you pay some money, they will. If I want to get your call history, I will call my friend CI and I will tell him I want his call history. That's why I use WhatsApp. In WhatsApp, no call history. So there, files, images, documents are stored. In this, we have top part. This is 1. And we have second part. This is 2. This is another part. This is another part. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts are there. Whenever you want to learn Salesforce, you have to understand what are these 4 parts. This is called functionality of the application. If you understand it, then you can easily use this application. So each and every part you have to understand. What is this? This is a Salesforce logo. This is what?
Releases.
What is current release? So winter, that's why he came with some sweater or something. Winter 24, current release is. What is previous release, Naveen?
Yeah, 3, but I don't know.
Okay, now you will know. Because the way of teaching is different here. So here some search bar is there. This is global search. And switch to lightning experience. Here, our profile details. Setup, help. Here one app launcher is here. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is top bar or top menu, I call it. There is no technical word. You can call it as top menu.
Navigation.
No. Navigation bar is something different. I will tell you. And here in website, you see tabs, right? This is tab bar. This is tab bar. This is what? Sidebar. This is main section. Initially, you have to understand this. Some people with 4 years experience proxy, they will come to job support. Madam will say, go to the tab. They are searching for tab. They don't know. During COVID time, it happened. Madam said, I cannot support. Because if you know few things, then we can support. Without knowing anything, how you will support? So this initially, whenever you created account, today you have to tell me what options are available. Surprisingly, you will not see the screen. What screen you will see is, you will see this screen when you logged in first time. You will see this screen. First time when you created account, you will go to this screen. Got it? Any differences between that screen and this screen? So we have 2 modes in Salesforce. Online people getting classic and lightning. In our sessions, we will work both on classic and lightning. Lightning is built by which technologies? What we will cover in lightning course? If it is a classic, it is Visual Force. If it is lightning, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, XML. Other than this, it might be Lightning, Aura, or Lightning Web Components. And along with this, Apex, SOQL, SOS. Here, Visualforce, understood now, online people?
Sir,
Sorry?
can you please explain it for once more?
So in Salesforce, we have two modes, Classic and Lightning.
Okay.
In Classic, if it is a Classic application, you see this application. This application, Classic application, is built by using Visualforce, Apex, SOQL, and SOSL. They used those technologies. In the back end, if you see view page source, check HTML is there. And along with this, Visualforce will be there. Any front-end technology, there will be a HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Even though you are using Visualforce as well, you can see this. So for front-end technologies, even it is Lightning or Visualforce, you need to understand HTML, CSS, JavaScript. You are building by using Visualforce, but internally it is converting like this. Aparna, you asked me this?
No, I didn't ask this. I think it was.
Someone asked.
Yeah. So, okay. So Classic you are saying is Lightning, Visualforce is HTML. But this also would depend on the requirement, right? There would be limitation of each of them.
Limitation in the sense?
The features available in the Classic would be different, right?
Yeah, like some change is there.
Okay.
The changes we will discuss later. But if it is a Classic application,
Okay.
we are using Visualforce, Apex, SOQL, SOSL. Those that front end is built by using this.
Okay, it's Visualforce,
Apex, SOQL, SOSL.
So for SOQL and SOSL, the licenses would be by default available, or it has to be taken separately?
No, by default.
Okay.
So here, administration will be there. Means already this is available, right? This application. You can configure this application. You can customize without writing code.
Okay.
Write your Visualforce, Apex, SOQL, SOSL. Till 1 month classes, we will not use that. But we will use Salesforce application. We will build some applications with admin. But some limitations are there in administration. Here, you will use administration, and here you will use lightning flows.
Okay, administration. What's the difference between these two?
Lightning flows are advanced concepts. Without writing HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Lightning web components, you can build applications by using Lightning flows, by using Salesforce administration. You can build, but you want more customization. Some limitations are there in administration. Administration means our course is divided into 4 parts: Salesforce administration, development, Lightning, and integration.
Correct.
Without development, Lightning, and integration as well, you can build applications. If you want,
This will allow more customization.
yeah. Without writing code, you can configure whatever the options they have given here. They have given all these options, right? They have given this application. If I want to change this logo, I can change. I can put Swapna IT logo. No need to write code. That facility is given by administration. That customization, configuration you can do without writing code. And I want to change this campaign's name. Here some 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tabs they have given. Client will tell, I don't want cases and solutions here. We can customize without writing.
So Madhu, this particular login in which we are able to do these changes is a developer login, right? While the front ends will have a admin end user login. So that login has to be also created first in the org, right?
When you create org, just now we have created developer edition account, right?
Correct.
When you log into your developer edition account, it is showing to you, right? It is showing all these features to you, right?
Correct.
So this is for you as a developer.
Okay.
Here
so
they have given software as a service. They have given Salesforce CRM application.
Okay, got it. So this is what I'm saying for the company.
Yeah, from IT company.
Got it.
And backend they have given infrastructure to store this application. And they have given platform as well to customize this. 3 options we got. 3 services we got. Software as a service. Salesforce CRM we can see. Kusuma, getting any clarity missing or? And backend it is storing in infrastructure instance they have provided for us. This application is stored in Asia Pacific region. They have given org ID. They have allocated memory space for us. Everything they have given. But client, how they want? For example, they want only sales application. Here you are seeing in the top right corner. Sales, service, marketing, community. All these app launcher, all these options they have given by default. Varun?
If the project is in marketing cloud, then what is present in this
No.
marketing app?
No.
Will be present in
No,
marketing
no.
cloud.
Now I want to tell that, but I think you will confuse. That's why I am not telling. So we have different products and clouds in Salesforce. Sales cloud is there, service cloud is there, marketing cloud is there. You remember, right, online people?
Yeah.
You also remember, right? These clouds are there. In real time, you will purchase sales cloud. Client will purchase sales cloud. You will tell them which cloud you have to purchase. IT company will tell. That time you can see only sales application. You will not see all this.
Yeah, I'm asking that one. Suppose if a company bought sales cloud, the service is present in the sales app.
So
same will be present in the sales cloud also, or there will be a difference?
No, different. So marketing cloud purpose is different, sales cloud purpose is different, service cloud purpose is different. Sales and service cloud together you will have.
But Madhu, even the marketing cloud, the organization, IT organization has to take, right, for campaigns, because campaigns and sales commissions will get tracked from there. That was my understanding.
So marketing cloud purpose is different. For example, there is some history for marketing cloud. Initially, Salesforce didn't have marketing cloud. Did you heard of Exact Target? Exact Target is a company. They used to do online marketing with the tool. Online marketing means you are getting automated calls, right? You are getting automated calls from any company for loans.
Yeah.
Some offers.
Mm-hmm.
Automated calls you are getting. What they are doing? They are calling you. They have your numbers. For that, there is a tool called Mobile Studio. Mobile Studio. In Salesforce, it is a Mobile Studio. But when there was Exact Target, that company was doing all these online campaignings by using their tool. What Mark Benioff did, instead of purchasing Exact Target tool, he purchased Exact Target company.
Got it.
He take over that company. They have some marketing tool, an Exact Target name. That company name is Exact Target. Their tool name also Exact Target. He purchased that company, and they made lot of changes to Exact Target, and they released as Marketing Cloud in Salesforce. Understood story?
Understood.
The features of Marketing Cloud is to market your product, to campaign your product. They will send messages. SMS Studio is there. You are getting SMS. Campaign they are running. You are getting SMS. Free offer on this. Discount on these products. That is SMS Studio. If you are getting calls, that is Mobile Studio. If you are getting emails, that is Email Studio. Like this, in Marketing Cloud, different options are there. Marketing Cloud is a paid version. If you want to learn Marketing Cloud, you need to take license. So here in Developer Edition, you are seeing those features, but it is for you. It is for you as a developer, not as a client and end user. Getting Venugopal? Any confusion? So if you want both sales and service clouds together, you can purchase. You will get Sales Cloud and Service Cloud features. Many companies purchase Sales Cloud and Service together. Clear, Adarsh? You have idea on this?
Yeah.
Here you are getting all features because you are a developer. Whatever the developer needs, those features are available. These features might not be available for client or end user. End user is completely different customer. For client, these features are not available. That is a different story. We will see that while using this, while configuring, how client will ask you, what they will show you. For example, if they click sales application, they will see this. You are the administrator. You have entire access. You can see everything. Client side, he is the business owner. He can see entire thing. But person who is sitting in front desk for registrations, he will not see all. Getting? Access is changed. So those all things we will learn in Salesforce administration. These 114 topics are for that only. So what you have to do is today, so you will see lightning application. When you see that application, when you see like this, you immediately go here, this avatar icon is there. Go here and switch to classic. And write down what are there on top menu, what are there on tab bar, what are there in sidebar, what is there in main section. This is your task.
What is the task?
Now done. Go to create developer
Okay.
edition account.
Developer edition. Okay.
Second one, go to classic application.
Okay.
Write down main sections. How many sections we discussed? 4 sections. Write down different features or options available in each section. So you will get to know, if you do this, you will get to know functionality, basic functionality of Salesforce application.
We have to send this on mail or you'll take it tomorrow in class?
I am sending you mail.
No, we have to send you this in mail as a...
Yeah, you have to send in mail. You are getting everyday mails, right?
Yeah. No, this you gave us as a assignment, right? So you want us to send this on the mail or you'll take it as
Mail.
Okay.
Rashi, you are clear with today's session?
Yes, sir.
Divakar, Kishore, Kaushik, Laptop Asi, Madhu, Rashi, Srinivas.
Yes, sir.
If you are clear, so once you are done with developer edition account, you have to start working on customizing or configuring the application.